Now we move on to Unit 4, where we start reading the music. It's quite simple. You can see there are 5 lines. Why there are 5 lines? Because we have 5 fingers on each hand. That's where we have 5 lines for the right hand, 5 lines for the left hand. And we use what we call clef. So treble clef is for high pitch. Normally we say it's girl hand, because girls make trouble. So as you can see, the beautiful shape of the clef with the umbrella handle is quite beautiful. That's why we call it that's the clef for the girl. And left hand is called bass clef. It's coming from the instrument called double bass, where the sound is very low. So it's represent low sound instrument. And it's also mostly on your left side of the body. So now we have your right side, we have our left side, and right outside from the 5 line, that's where we have our belly button, where it's got its own special line, and that's where we call this as middle C. It's shared together between right and left. Only if you close the left hand, it looks like this is the lowest note from the right hand side, going to the highest. And from the left hand side, if you see, this is going to be the highest note from the left side, and then going to the low. We're going to start from middle C march. You're going to play this C by changing your finger from 1 to 2 to 3, and also make 3 different dynamics from soft to the medium and loud. Middle C march with teacher duet. Stay as written. Soft. 2, 3. Change 2. Change 3. Next is when we look at the right hand, we have low and high. That's why we have the C, and on the second line, every line we skip a finger, which is called the space. So in here we don't have space, so we skip line, line, line. That's why we have our C and the G. Now we're gonna start a 10-second song. As first time you're gonna play loud, second time you need to play soft. C, 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 G, 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 C. Just love to play this song, for it's just 10 seconds. So if this song that you repeat, it will be so short and sweet. Next, we learn if they stuck together, then we have to play both of them at the same time. We're gonna play driving in the G clef. That's where you have the double, and you have the single either the bottom or the top, the C or the G. Start from ready, set, go. Double, 2, C, G, double. From G to C, C to G, C to G, together. Next song, it is best friend. So from the C to G, now we share with 2 hands. The C, we use the middle finger on the C and the right hands on the G. When they're written at the same time, you play at the same times. This is best friend. Ready, set, go. C and G together. C, G, 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 C 3 times. teacher's duet, you stay on the spot. C, I, G, S of friend, friendship that will never end. So how they play on the lines, making music all the time. Next, we learn all the bass, same thing. Now we have high and low. This time our thumb is high and this low. So we skip backwards from C, B, A, G, F. So we have the line, line, line. Leave those space out. It is C and F. So we have gorilla and the big tree. Start from left hand C. Ready, set, go. C twice, F twice, C twice, F. F, C, F, C, F 3 times. Now we're gonna play with the teacher's duet. You play as written and there is a repeated sign, so you play 2 times. Big gorilla in the tree, rocking, rocking happily. Won't you please throw down for me a banana from your tree? Next, we're gonna share left and the right. So we have low on the F, middle on the C, and the top on the G. This is my invention. Ready, set, go. F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C, F twice, double, twice, F and double. F, C, G, C, F, C, G, C, F twice, double, F 3 times. When you play with the teacher duet, you stay on the as written. My